The job of the leader is to solve problem and show solution, not to give excuse. I don't want to go there and people start saying, oh, I'm blaming the people in the past. They did this, they did that. If they were doing good, you won't hire me. So I'm being hired to deal with the problem, not to remind them where they're coming from. I don't want to remind Nigerians where they're coming from. I want to start solving the problem. There's something wrong. And it is time we confront it. I succeeded in Anambra State because I learned and listened to people who know. I'm happy that Falana is there. He will tell you, even though he's still accusing me for not paying his fees, he knows that I cannot pay fees. That's my problem. But he's not the only person. Last night, I showed somebody in the plane. I said to him, my head of service is a fantastic civil servant. Let nobody tell you the problem is civil servant. No, I disagree with the person. President was right. If the leader is doing the right thing, the civil servant will. My head of service is in Ngozi Melifong, where everybody knows that. A daughter of a respected judge in this country, wonderful woman. When he was my head of service, every single day he comes to my office to cry and tell me, no, people are not happy with you. And I kept saying, Sister Ngozi, I never promised anybody happiness. But I can tell you, 2 weeks ago he wrote something he wanted to publish. It will eventually be published. Peter Obi, stinginess as a development strategy. Because what happened? Every time they bring file, bring this, I say, you can't do this, you can't do this, you can't do this. So they were not happy. But when I started clearing gratuities unpaid, pension unpaid, everything unpaid, they came to me and said, where are you getting the money? I said, it's your money. That money I cut here is what I'm using here. So the day I left office, everybody knows. I wasn't owing the civil servant any salary, any pension, any gratuity.